Hi, I am a tutor with Uplatz, and today we are going to cover real life applications of embedded systems. First application is about digital alarm clock. Examples are given pictorially here. Different types of clocks are being shown here. Next application is electronic parking meters and parking pay stations, which we normally see in many places. Next application is robotic vacuum cleaners, which we use for various purposes in our real life. And also we are going to see smart watches and digital watches, which we normally use in our day-to-day life. And we are now seeing washing machines and dishwashers, and embedded system is used in all this control of all these machines. And home security is not an exception to embedded systems. In home security applications, we see many of these gadgets which are using embedded systems. And air conditioners and thermostats also use embedded based systems, and here are some pictures of the same. And electronic stove, pressure cooker, and tea coffee making machines also use embedded systems. And we also witness various traffic lights in various configurations. All of them use embedded systems. And we also use many types of vending machines wherever we go, and such vending machines are also an application of embedded systems. And we also have fire alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, both in workplaces and at home. And these are an application of embedded system. And we have used various types of printers, fax machines, and scanners. All of them are real life applications of embedded system. We also use digital and video cameras. Many of them are, all of them use embedded system. We use various types of calculators, including normal calculator, scientific calculator, financial calculator, actuarial calculator. All these are an application of embedded systems. We also use various types of remote gate keys, remote controls. All are applications of embedded system. We also use various types of digital thermometers, and it is an embedded application. We also use various types of motion sensors, and it is an application of embedded system. We use various types of personal assistant device assistants and handheld computers. These are all also an application of embedded system. We also use various types of lighting system, both at home, at office, and at public places. These are all part of the embedded system. We also use various GPS navigation devices, which are a very important application of embedded system. Heart rate monitor and pacemakers used in our healthcare applications are also part of the embedded system. CD players, iPods, and MP players we use in day-to-day life are applications of embedded system. Parking lot ticket machines used in various places are also application of embedded system. Cash registers used in various stores and malls are also applications of embedded system. Digital signature pads used for various applications, including education, are part of the embedded system. Electronic toys used widely by kids and elders are also applications of embedded system. Refrigerators and freezers use embedded system for control and monitoring purposes. Electronic safes are a very important security application of embedded system. Wi-Fi routers used for all communication are also an application of embedded system. Automotive system use embedded systems in various applications like cruise control, anti-braking lock system, and transmission control, electronic fuel injection suspension system, and in-vehicle entertainment systems. This is the end of some applications of real-time embedded system we have seen. In the next application, we will see how it is applied in various specialized areas.